So, it's me Neil Ghosh. After long days, I've come back with another video, and it's the most burning issue which needs to be addressed very very soon. तो जैसे कि आज आप देख पा रहे हैं कि what happened in Kolkata. It's because the misleading ruling government. Why I am directly blaming the government? In a college, in a government medical college, a student residing there, studying there, how can she be raped? It's out of the thought process of any common individual. कैसे हो सकते हैं? कॉमन चीज़ नहीं है, रेप कॉमन है, पर ऐसे जगह पर होना इट्स नॉट easy to accept.
And my foremost request is that who will take the responsibility? जो आज उस लड़की के फैमिली के साथ हुआ है, as I have heard, I didn't have studied about it, that West Bengal government has provided fund. I will not say fund, provided a compensation amount of 10 lakh rupees to the family, to the victim family, but they refused to take it. And why they have done so? बहुत आसान है समझना, क्योंकि उनके लिए अभी पैसा कुछ नहीं है. उनके घर से एक बेटी चली गई, तो इसका 10 लाख से क्या रिश्ता है? और जैसे कि आप पूरा डिटेल में आप देखें कि क्या क्या हुआ उस लड़की के साथ. नॉट ओनली रेप, मर्डर, एंड इट हैज़ बीन फाउंड, आई हैव रेड इट, दैट in her body, after postmortem report, it was found that over approximately 150 grams sperms have been injected in her body. Now you will wonder that क्या कोई इतना स्पर्म प्रोड्यूस कर सकता है? इतना स्पर्म क्या कोई निकाल सकता है at one time? No. For a man, for a normal human being, it's there is approximately 15 gram at a time a man can ejaculate sperm. So it's not a case of one, it's a case where many, more than one, I will not say more than one, I will say more than 2 or 3% is involved in it. और जैसे कि आप देख पा रहे हैं कि जो प्रिंसिपल है वो भी रेजिग्नेशन दे चुका है अपना. क्यों? क्योंकि प्रेशर बहुत है और प्रेशर उनके ऊपर भी बन रहा है. कैसे हो सकता है ऐसे? It happened a week ago, last Thursday, and today is the next Thursday, is the Independence Day. And बिलीव मी, आज जैसे मैंने परेड किया था हम लोग के कॉलेज में, सो आई हैव नोटिस दैट लास्ट ईयर ऑल्सो आई हैव डिड इट, दैट द फीलिंग एंड द वाइब ऑफ लास्ट ईयर डिडंट मैच दिस ईयर, एंड इट्स वेरी ऑब्वियस. एक हफ्ता पहले ऐसा एक मतलब भयावह एक घटना मतलब जो कोई कल्पना भी नहीं कर सकता. How can we celebrate Independence Day as our women are not independent in the independent country? So there are some burning questions. Investigation jari hai. I have in the last Monday, the Kolkata police have transferred the case to the CBI, and the CBI now will uphold all the case and try to bring out the evidences. But मुझे क्या लगता है कि जैसे कि आप लोग सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के केस में भी देखे होंगे कि जो एविडेंस है वो स्टेट पुलिस के द्वारा पूरा मिटा दिया गया. तो कोई भी आ जाए, अगर एविडेंस नहीं होगा तो किसके बेसिस पे इन्वेस्टिगेशन होगा? आई एम क्लियर अबाउट? तो बहुत सोचने वाला बात है. और पूरा प्रोटेस्ट भी चल रहा है ऑल ओवर द नेशन, स्पेसिफिकली इन वेस्ट बंगाल. येस्टरडे नाइट, the night before Independence Day, which was termed as the eve of Independence Day, was been absolutely taken over by the women, by the girls of West Bengal. They have been in several districts, they have done protest in the same reason, the same cause, for the same cause. We want justice. We want justice as soon as possible. It's not कि एक साल बाद केस को डिसॉल्व किया जाएगा. नो, वी वांट जस्टिस इमीडिएटली, एंड मी टू. तो So it is very disappointing. What I will say, it is very sad to hear about that. If a doctor is not safe, who else will be? They are the means whom we recognize as the national heroes, the doctors, the Indian armies. They are our first priorities. They save lives of the people. I'm not saying that it happened to a doctor. It shouldn't be happening to anyone. तो जितना हो सके इस वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए, सबको पता चलना चाहिए, आपके घर में दिखाइए कि where we live is not a safe and secure place today. It has been dominated by the the big culprits, the creatures. You can't name them human. So it's my humble request, share this video, like this video, tell them who don't are not aware of this fact, aware of this incident, and just help and support people in this big national movement for the girl of the RG Kaur. And I want to mention her name, why not? Dr. Momita Debnath, a 30-year-old PG second year student of chest medicine, if I'm not wrong. So thank you. That's all for today from my side. I will be posting another video on what happening next in this horrified incident in Kolkata, West Bengal. So till then, goodbye and happy Independence Day from my side. Make the day tomorrow a very independent one for yourself and your family. Goodbye. Thank you.